Hi guys, I'm gonna make a ring with this. Like this. If you want to put a sticker, you can put a sticker. If you don't like to put a sticker, you can put a sticker. And here's the things you can need. So hard. If you can put a sticker, so hard because so hard to put a sticker. You need to put a tape, and I just told you the things. You need these or a string. You can put a string. You can, if you don't like a colorful one, so just use a string. If you want to put some colorful, use these. And I have a bean because we're here. Make here. Wait. Oh, you can here. This one. And I'm gonna use the yellow one because I love the yellows. And I have a sticker because I want to put a sticker or no. Just not put a sticker. And I have a scissors. Not just cut because I need to get cut half, and I'll use the yellow one because I cut it half because of here, yellow one. And first we need to put this bean on here. Put it side, and put your two hands here, corner, and there. Wait, I'm gonna get some tape. Ouch! It hurt.
It hurts.
I mean, it hurts.
Not it hurt, it hurts.
Ay, sama lagi.
Correctional. Kay mommy?
That's my mom. And my yaya. That's my yaya. Smiling. Gamay na ang drama na. Masundod dito. Here tape, we need more because here, there, we'll see. So let's get more tape.
Ako ang bebe.
Lupad. It hold good. Need to stretch. Ah! It's break! It break because I pulled too hard. Ah! It break again!
Tuhan ay masoy. Hati-hati.
Need more because here it break. Oh, big Q. Okay. I'll just not put a sticker because it's hard. Because I have another one that I put it a sticker. So we're done. Yeah. Here's my ring and my sticker ring. So that's two. That's two for me and one for you. So that's all I showed.